Hello everyone and welcome back to avijitp.tech. Today we will be creating an animated map using Canva. This will be useful for making infographic videos. To begin with the main animation, start by creating a new design and then select videos. Here I'm choosing the landscape mode video, but you can choose the video aspect ratio that suits your project. Next, adjust the video duration as needed. Then go to Elements and search for World Map in the Photos section. Select a map image of your choice and scale it to fit the screen. After that, duplicate the first slide and zoom in on the specific area you want to highlight. Now, go to the Search tab and, in the Graphics section, search for the map of the place you want to focus on. Choose the graphic of that place and place it exactly on the world map. You can also use Google Maps for reference if needed. Next, change the color of the graphic to match the background color. After placing the main graphic, set its transparency to 0. Duplicate the second slide. Set the transparency of the map to 100 and change the transparency of the world map background to 50. Then, duplicate the third slide and scale the place's graphic to the desired size. Add a heading with the name of the place and adjust the font and color as needed. In this same slide, set the transparency of the text to 0. Next, duplicate this slide again, set the transparency to 100 and adjust the position of the place and text as shown. Afterward, duplicate the page once more and add any additional information required. Feel free to adjust the font and color to your liking. give typewriter animation to the text. I'll change the duration of this information slide to around 5 seconds. Now comes the important part. Go to Page Transitions, click on Match and Move, increase the duration to maximum, and click on Apply for all pages. You'll see that the transition effect has been added between all pages. Now, we can see that our animated map is coming together. To make the animation even more engaging, I'll go to the first page and add a tectonic animation. Adjust the size to hide the white borders. The white border is still visible, so I'll scale the picture a little more. Next, add an exit animation. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to show more locations on the same map. Duplicate the pages in reverse order. Now it's time to add some audio. Search the Audio tab for a racing sound and add it to the track. Then, search for a swoosh sound and place it where the map is moving. Repeat this for all locations where there is motion on the map. Lastly, search for a typewriter sound and add it to the slide where we have added the typewriter animation. Now, let's take a look at the final output. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching.